Can you lay tiles without grout lines?
Hello, fellow DIYers and home improvement enthusiasts. Today, we're addressing a hot topic in the world of tile installation. Can you lay tiles without grout lines? This is an interesting question that many of you have asked, especially those looking for a seamless, smooth appearance. Let's dive in.
What is the purpose of grout?
To understand why we use grout when laying tiles, it's crucial to understand its purpose. Grout is a mixture of water, cement, and sand that fills the spaces between tiles to prevent moisture and dirt from getting under the tiles. It also helps to keep tiles aligned and prevents them from chipping and cracking by absorbing the stresses that come from the slight shifting of tiles or the building itself.
Is it possible to install tiles without grout?
Technically, yes, it is possible to install tiles without grout. Some people prefer this look as it can provide a continuous, unbroken appearance. However, even if the tiles are perfectly cut and aligned, the smallest gaps can allow for moisture penetration or may lead to cracked tiles due to building movements or temperature changes. The practice of laying tiles without grout is generally not recommended by professionals due to these risks. Unless the tiles are designed specifically to be installed without grout, it's best to stick with using it.
Are there any alternatives to traditional grout?
For those who dislike the look of traditional grout, you're in luck. There are alternatives like epoxy grouts that can give a more refined, less noticeable appearance. Epoxy grouts are made from epoxy resins and a filler powder, making them extremely durable, water-resistant, and less prone to discoloration and stains. Another option is using grout with a color that closely matches your tile. This way, the grout lines blend in and provide the illusion of a seamless surface, while still maintaining the protective functionality of grout. While laying tiles without grout might be tempting for aesthetic reasons, it's important to keep in mind that grout serves essential functional purposes. Your best bet is to use grout or consider alternatives like epoxy grout or color-matched grout to achieve your desired look without sacrificing the durability and longevity of your tile work. We hope this video has been helpful and clarified the necessity of grout lines in tile installation. Until next time, happy tiling!